Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to upgrade to a Tubebuddy free membership for Pro membership for free. You can use this for lifetime. This is not a crack or illegal method. This is only a small trick. You can use this for lifetime. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's get started. Now there you can see my Tubuddy license is star. This is a free version. So I will show you how to upgrade this Tubuddy free version Pro version for free. So you have to follow me. First of all, you have to click on their my account and go to Tubuddy dashboard. When you go to Tubuddy dashboard, there you can see your profile and there click on profile. And after that, go to bottom from here and there you can see permanently delete my account, and there click on yes, delete my account and click on OK. Now you have successfully deleted your account. So close this tab and reload this. Now you can see you have deleted your account from Tubuddy, so that you can see sign in required. So now we are going to delete this Tubuddy extension also. So you have to go to there, click on these three dots and there go to more tools and there go to extensions, and from here choose your Tubuddy and click on remove and click on no, remove. Now you have to close this and go to another tab, and there you can see your account and there choose the account which you are going to install Tubuddy. Then choose it, and from here there also menu. After choose your account, there click on manage your Google account. From here go to security and scroll down. When you scroll down, there you can see Google apps with account access. Then choose this option and scroll down from here. When you scroll down, there you can see Tubuddy also. These apps are access your Google account. So there click on remove access and click on OK. After close this, again install Tubuddy extension and click on install free now and click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Wait while adding this extension. After that, go to YouTube. Now there you can see Tubuddy sign in required. Click here, then click here and click on sign in with YouTube and choose your account, and there also choose your YouTube account or Gmail account and click on their hello. Then after there you can see this Tubuddy icon, then click on it, and there also you can see star upgrade now. Now from here there you can see website tools tab and click on their health report and go to it. Now there you can see a good news. Now click on start 40-day free pro trial. Now you have got 40-day free trial from Tubuddy. After 14 days you have to do this process again because your 14 days free trial will expire. This is a easy process that you can do in 2 minutes. I have done this process many times. It is working really good. So you also can do this process again and again. You can use Tubuddy Pro for free. And we will see reload this page. Now there you can see your license is Pro license. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Thank you for watching my video.